Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen a drill bit using a drill doctor. Here we go. This is the Drill Doctor 400. What you do, take this part here, take your drill bit, okay, you put this part into here. There, set it in there. Put your drill bit in until it hits, there's a notch in here, you hit it, and then you push this button here, you push it, and then it lines up the grooves on the drill bit to make it face the right direction. Then you screw this down, okay, then you take this out, you turn it on. If I find the button, there it is. Then you put this part into here. And you twist it. It has a little bevel on it. So it's supposed to do it at the right place. Okay. So you do that several times, you take it out, and you look at it, and it's supposed to put a new tip on it. But found a better way, easier way. I found a better, faster way. Let me show you here. Okay, here's my bench grinder, and there's two blades. On the left is a coarse one, on the right's a fine one. So what I'm going to do is turn it on, turn my light on, I want to see that blade, let's see how that works. That's all right. Okay, all you do is take this part of the blade, see this drill bit? There's two cutting edges. One is right there, and one is right there. You just take that angle, put it on the grinder, and just hold it a little bit until it's ground down the right size. And there you go. And it actually is better, I think, than the drill doctor. Grind it here. Doesn't take much. There you go. Okay. There you go. Turn that light off. There you go. 2 seconds. Especially if it's just barely dull, you just touch it to that grinder and barely put a new edge on it, and it cuts like brand new in half the time as using the drill doctor.